Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet sounds. Meet my student John. He will help us today. So let's start. A, apple. Come on John, now you try it. A, apple.
Apple.
B, ball.
Ball.
C, cake.
Cake.
Good work, John. Very good. D, duckling. Repeat after me, John. D, duckling.
Duckling.
A, elephant. Repeat after me, kids. A, elephant.
Elephant.
F, fan. G, garden. Repeat. G, garden. H, hand. Repeat. H, hand. E, igloo. E, igloo. J, juice. Repeat. J, juice. K, kick. K, kick. L, log. Repeat, John. L,
Log.
M, monkey. Repeat. M, monkey. N, nose.
Nose.
Ostrich. Repeat. Ostrich. P, play. P, play. Quiet. Quiet. R, rat. Repeat. R, rat. Stop. Stop. T, tiger. T, tiger. Umbrella. Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Van. Van. Water. Water. Box. Box. Yummy. Yummy. Zoo. Zoo. Let's end this lesson over here, John, and go to zoo.
Yes, teacher. We will go to the zoo.
Thanks for watching, kids. In our next lesson, we will study super sounds, letter combination. Keep practicing. Bye bye.